Good afternoon. I'm Jessica Winton with the National Weather Service with a briefing on the snow and cold temperatures expected this week. Showers over the area today are expected to transition to all snow tonight, with scattered light showers possible across the area beginning tonight and lasting through Wednesday evening. Accumulations are expected to be very light each day in valley locations, with higher accumulations expected in the higher elevations. Very cold air will also move in through Thursday, with wind chill values in the single digits for most of this period, even colder wind chill values in the higher elevations. Here's a graph of total snowfall accumulation from this afternoon through Wednesday afternoon. About 1/2 inch up to 3 inches expected in valley locations, with amounts up to 8 to 12 inches expected across the higher elevations. Winds will be brisk this week, causing wind chill values to drop into the single digits area-wide. In the higher elevations, wind chills at or below 0 will be possible. This is a graph from Thursday morning showing the coldest values this week. For temperatures, they will drop below freezing tonight, with many areas struggling to get above 32 degrees before Thursday afternoon. The coldest temperatures are going to be Tuesday night through Thursday morning. With impacts, the snow showers will be off and on through the week, and temperatures will be below freezing, so any untreated roads could remain snow and ice covered. Also, prolonged exposure outdoors will be dangerous with wind chill values in the single digits or below. And for more information, you can visit our website or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.